हेलो फ्रेंड्स, त्यागी ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज की हमारी डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज 44 की है, पिटमैन न्यू इरा शॉर्ट हैंड। एक्सरसाइज 44 पिटमैन न्यू इरा शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन। वी हैव issued a booklet which gives details of the new automatic toaster we have just put on the market. You can secure a copy of this booklet as well as our latest catalog by wrong for them. We make absolutely no charge. I have insert a estimate for doing object, but they have not yet notified me that they will because of my bid. This item is listed in the catalog at $4. If you remit in 5 days, you can deduct to present. We have not yet received. Get them to us by next Tuesday at the latest, as we are act out of stock of some of these items. Why has the firm kept us waiting for the steel sheets? They state in a reason note that the sheets had actually left the factory. If they did ship them when they said the sheets should have arrived by now, over.